Are you tired of your Loom videos silently tracking viewers without their consent? Learn how to disable analytics in under 60 seconds. Follow these 5 quick clicks. Open Library, select a video, go to Settings, then Audience, and disable the Analytics toggle. First, click on Library to get to your videos. Then, click on any video to open it up. Now, click on Settings to bring up the video options. Then, click on Audience to see the audience-related settings. Finally, turn off Analytics, and that's it. You're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.